our experiment is volcano eruption. For this experiment, you need dish soap, baking soda, vinegar, and color. And we made this mountain out of dough. First, get the funnel and get 2 spoons of baking soda. Now we will add dish soap. And food color. Now it's the exciting part. Now we're gonna add vinegar in the volcano and watch what happens. Are you ready? Bye. Bye. Vinegar is acid and baking soda is base. Mixing them together produces carbon dioxide gas which form bubbles in dishwashing detergent. Carbon dioxide gas creates fizzing and bubbling during eruption of volcano.